In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view TikTok videos on your PC on your actual account. So you simply want to go to the TikTok website. What you can do is click on login in the top right corner, and you can then sign into your account depending on how you signed up. So you can use your email, all of these platforms as well. So I'm going to sign in with Twitter because I actually signed up with Twitter as well. So this should work for me. Give me 1 sec and then I'll be back. And there we go. So I just signed into my TikTok account. What you can now do is pretty much view the For You page. You can find people that you're following, so see their posts. You can also find suggested accounts to follow people. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can use TikTok on your PC. I love this update since right now you've pretty much got all features that you have on your phone. You can even do this. You can even upload videos, I believe. So yeah, all of this is pretty cool. Oh, this will actually go to the top, so you cannot upload videos yet. You can upload videos right there. So yeah, all of this is pretty cool. I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.